To get started, you want to arrange your cords on the board in the colour order that you want. So you want your 2 longest cords on the outside at each side, and then in the centre you want your 2 shortest cords. Now these can be any colour because they're not going to be showing up once you've finished your pattern, so it's a good idea to use scraps of cord if you have any at this point. So to get started, you want to take your 2 shortest cords in the centre and you want to clip these to the bottom of your board. And next you're going to work each colour one at a time. So you can pick which side you want to start with. So I'm going to start at this side. And then taking this cord over the 2 centre ones, you want to do a hitch knot by going over and pulling through. And then under and pulling through. And then you want to switch sides and do the same thing with this cord but a mirror image. So you want to go over and pull through, and then under and pull through. And then you want to switch sides again, but this time you want to work with the colour you didn't use last time. So you want to bring this colour over the top of the colour you did work and put that out of the way, and then again go over and pull through, and then under and pull through. And then you want to switch sides again, and like I did last time, work with the colour you didn't work with before, and then over and through, and under and through. And once you've done that, you should have worked with all 4 of your colours, and then you want to keep repeating this sequence all the way down until you get the bracelet as long as you want it. So each time you switch positions, you want to take the colour that you didn't work at that side last time. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be, you want to finish off on a square knot. So you can take the 4 cords in the centre, clip these to the bottom of the board, and then just do a square knot to hold everything in place. And once you've done that, you can trim and seal any excess at either side here, but leave these in place. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal, but you could use glue if you prefer. So once you've sealed those 2 ends, you can take the remaining 4 ends and just split them into 3 sections. So obviously one will have 2, and then you just want to do a braid for your tie-on end, and you want to do this at both ends. And once you've got the braided tie-on, as long as you want it, you can take all your cords and tie them in a knot and then pull tight. And then again, you just want to trim and seal any excess. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed bracelet.